I'm Norbert Pisak, and I have been head chef at A-ROSA since 2018. I really enjoy working with my team. Our crews come from many different countries, and although we do not speak the same language, in the kitchen we have our own special way of understanding each other. We enjoy creating the ever-changing daily buffet selection because we know our guests appreciate it. We organise various events on board, such as barbecues on the sun deck or cooking local specialities, such as Hungarian langos. I'm also responsible for ordering all the food for the entire voyage. We also enjoy going ashore and exploring the amazing destinations we visit along the rivers. My name is Norbert Pisak, and I'm head chef at A-ROSA.